If the world really did repopulate from a single family after the flood, what should we expect to find when we look at the genetics of today's global population? We'd expect something surprisingly simple: one human race, multiple branching lines, and genetic patterns that trace back to a few common ancestors, not millions of years ago, but more recently than many would assume. Modern genetics has revealed something powerful. Despite enormous external differences in skin color, height, or facial shape, human beings are genetically strikingly similar. In fact, humans share about 99.9% of their DNA with each other, no matter their continent or culture. The vast majority of diversity comes from slight variations called single nucleotide polymorphisms, or SNPs. These don't rewrite the story, they refine it. Geneticists track these variations through two unbroken lines: mitochondrial DNA, passed down from mothers, Y-chromosome DNA, passed down from fathers. Both of these point to a recent common ancestry. Researchers call them mitochondrial Eve and Y-chromosomal Adam. These aren't titles from Genesis, they're terms from modern science, but the fact that they exist at all should make us pause. So what do these models actually show? They don't show millions of years of slow divergence. They show that genetic lineages can spread and diversify rapidly within just thousands of years under the right conditions. What kind of conditions? A global reset, a small initial population, and rapid post-catastrophe migration. That's exactly the situation Genesis describes. Some argue that today's diversity is too much for such a short time, but they often assume that changes happen linearly. In reality, genetic drift, bottlenecks, and founder effects can accelerate change, especially when populations are small, isolated, and spreading rapidly. The result is rapid regional differentiation, the very thing we see in the archaeological and genetic records. So the next time someone says the Bible's account can't explain the world's diversity, ask them this: why does modern science say we all come from just a few ancestors? And why does that pattern look so much like what Genesis told us all along?